Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to solve the Leetcode question number 362, Design Hit Counter. The question is, design a hit counter which counts the number of hits received in past 5 minutes, that is, past 300 seconds. Your system should accept timestamp parameter in seconds, and you may assume that calls are being made in chronological order, and several hits may arrive at the same time. We have to implement a hit counter class. First, we have to initialize the object of hit counter system. Then we have to define a function hit, which accepts the parameter timestamp, which is in int. The hit function records the hit that happens at timestamp in seconds. Several hits may happen at the same timestamp. And then we have to define getHits function, which accepts the parameter timestamp, and we have to return the number of hits in the past 5 minutes from that timestamp. We are given an example in the question. First, we are creating a hit counter object. At this point, the hit list is empty. So initially there is no output, hence we are returning null. Next, we record a hit at timestamp 1. So our output will be null. Next, we record a hit at timestamp 2. Our output is still null. We have recorded 2 hits so far. Next, we record another hit at timestamp 3. Our output will be null. Next, we are calling the getHits at timestamp 4. We now count the hits in the last 300 seconds from timestamp 4. At timestamp 4, there are 3 hits. So we return the output as 3. All 3 hits are recorded in the last 300 seconds. So we don't have to remove anything. So we are returning the output as 3. Next, we record another hit at timestamp 300. So our output will be null. Next, we are calling getHits at timestamp 300. All the previous hits are within the 300 seconds. We have 4 hits that happened before 300 seconds. Hence, we are returning the output as 4. Now we are calling getHits at 301 timestamp. Now the hit at timestamp 1 is outside the 300 second window. So we are removing the hit at timestamp 1. And inside the 300 second window, we have 3 hits. So we are returning the output as 3. So here is our output and we are returning this as our output. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. As a first step, I'm going to store all the timestamp in a list. I'm going to name my list as hits. First, let me declare my list. Self.hits equal to a list. When a hit happens, I simply append the timestamp in a list. Let me implement that. Self.hits.append of timestamp. So when a hit happened, we simply append the timestamp. This timestamp is always increasing. Now let's define the getHits function. First, we have to do the cleanup. We have to remove the hits that are older than 300 seconds. Let's implement that. While self.hits and self.hits of 0, which is the first timestamp. If the first timestamp is less than or equal to the current timestamp minus 300, that means this hit is before 300 seconds. So we have to pop from our list. Self.hits.pop of index position 0. We will run this loop only when the array has values. And if there is any hit with a timestamp less than or equal to timestamp minus 300, that means it is old. So we are popping the index position 0. So we are popping the element in the index position 0. After running this loop, we will have only valid time range. So we will just return the length of the list. Return length of self.hits. By returning the length of list, we will return the number of valid hits. That's pretty much it. Now let's submit it. Our solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I'll see you in yet another interesting LeetCode interview question. Thank you.